What really happens when an estate owes more than it owns, and what does that mean for inheritors? Let's break it down. Welcome. Every day, I break down personal finance questions asked on Stack Exchange, highlight the community's best answers, and sprinkle in some actionable takeaways. If you're into learning a little more about money each day, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's dig into today's question. Today we're exploring a common question. What happens when an estate has a negative net worth? Here's the original question as it was posted to Stack Exchange. I'm going to scroll through it quickly so you can see the whole question, but feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry. After this, I'll walk you through the key points of the question so you get the big picture. So, to sum it up, they're trying to figure out what happens to debts when someone with a negative net worth passes away. They're worried about leftover bills and debts, especially if these are more than any life insurance or benefits. The big question on their mind is whether they'd be on the hook for those debts as the next of kin or estate administrator. Here's the top-rated answer from the community on Stack Exchange. I'll scroll through it quickly so you can see the full answer. Feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry, I'll highlight the key points of this answer in just a few moments. In this answer, it's explained that in Western countries, debt usually doesn't pass to heirs after someone dies. In the UK, funeral costs come first in an insolvent estate, and estate administrators aren't personally liable for the deceased's debts. Now, before we jump into the next part, if this video has been helpful so far, be sure to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. We post new personal finance videos every day to help you make smarter money moves. Alright, now that we've seen what the community had to say, here's our take on this question. Debts are settled using the estate, not by the heirs. If the estate doesn't have enough money, those debts typically remain unpaid. Generally, heirs aren't liable for these debts unless they co-signed or shared accounts. As the estate administrator, you'd handle assets according to legal guidelines, but personal liability is rare unless there's misconduct. So in this video, we've covered how debts are settled from the deceased's estate, not by their heirs. If the estate can't cover the debts, they simply go unpaid. Heirs aren't responsible unless they co-signed or shared accounts. Estate administrators handle assets according to legal priorities unless misconduct occurs. Thanks for watching. Before you go, did you learn something new from this video? If so, be sure to drop a like on the video to let us know.